Check out my poster shop with new styles and designs added every week. Click the link down below. KBA One Tech Traveler here. We're on the east side of South Korea in Yangyang and just checked in to our room, which we're going to do a tour of today. We are in NAKSAN Beach Hotel. Yangyang's roughly 2 hours, kind of like exactly from Seoul, all the way to the east. Came out here just to be by the ocean at the beach, even though it's kind of typhoon weather. But we're going to make the most of it here. We've got the junior suite behind me. You can find my full written review of the overall experience, including our breakfast and dining options. So check it out on onetechtraveler.com. And as you can see, it's crazy big. So let's get started. On the fourth floor, the highest of NAKSAN Beach Hotel. Crazy spacious, even much more than the picture showed. So honestly, it's a great room, especially if you can find a good price for this. Just going to sort of zoom in and around, give you a sweeping view. We've got the bath over there, table to eat, including our own coffee machine. This is honestly huge. We've got a long table, especially if I plan to do some editing tonight. I can just use that TV. I can just use this desk while watching the TV or slamming it on this nice sort of corner long sofa. You probably can sleep on this as well. So this is the bed. Very wide, probably king style, one light. And being at the top of NAKSAN Beach, you can see it just over there is the actual beach itself. Fairly busy, but not too bad. The weather is okay. It was we're sort of expecting it to really rain hard because typhoon weather is kind of coming. But for now, everything's looking pretty rosy without the sun. It's not going to dampen our moods, however, because this junior suite is sick. So a little bit on the finer details. I believe the minibar is inclusive. Of course, we do get our standard 2 bottles of water that is replenished daily. Also heard from the room dining options, they have fish and chips. So might try this evening and see how it stacks up. Been a while since I've had fish and chips from the UK alongside some other room services. Pictures aren't that great, but you can see it's got a bento style and looks pretty nice. Price is pretty reasonable for a hotel, but of course much higher than you would always expect. Big TV, this I think maybe between 42 or 50 inches. It's actually pretty big, but perfect size for the lounge sofa. Honestly, looking forward to chilling here. The view from our room, so it's got the parking straight outside. It was actually very busy just as we were trying to check in, but managed to do so ahead of the 3 p.m. check-in. Let's have a look at the storage. Now, generally you find storage to kind of be the limiting point of rooms, but looks like we've got plenty. So junior suite, I should expect much larger, plenty of space for family. Pretty basic and bare bones, but if you plan to hang a lot of things, they don't come with hangers, so bring your own. Over on this side, even more space. Up there I can definitely reach. But yeah, not going to complain. Plenty of storage to set down our luggage. Also have a luggage top here with ceiling mirror, which I like. Really opens up the room more. So digging it, lit up, and it's kind of the main storage. So you can see we have a few hangers and the complimentary robes, slippers, all the usual. Jardin, coffee bag, hazelnut, ooh, very nice. And hyunmi nakcha, which is always a staple in Korean hotels. And we've got a few capsules for our machine, so that's pretty dope. Kettle, It's got spot lighting on the top, which is nice. It's more of an ambient rather than really bright lighting, so I expect it in the evening. It's just going to have more of a toned down atmosphere, but really digging it. And of course, leaving the best feature, one of the best features of many to last, it is the bathroom. And I just closed that sliding door so you can get privacy in between. You can also slide this door. And we have the blinds. Really nice bright mirror windows, so I really dig that. It just invites a lot of the light coming in. Of course, there's not much in terms of room lighting, but especially the view, just bathing and then overlooking, pretty cool also. And of course, for privacy, let's grab that. Boom. Nice. Very minimal, clean, bright with white. Couple of towels. These are more like hand towels, and I guess, yeah, down here we have more of our usual towels, sort of generally a little bit smaller than Western standards. And we have a nice bidet. All the controls. Always like checking out the bidet. It gives a good idea of how well equipped these toilets are. And extra tissue rolls that can also be close for privacy while someone else can take a shower. And here, I've used these before, Gautem shampoo, conditioner, body wash and body lotion. So well equipped for the amenities. And a big shower head. And then definitely going to use the bathroom. The mirror. I like the LED strips. Hey. So that is the bathroom. So yeah, really digging it out here. Honestly, first impression since I opened the door, really big. Like, you don't really get a sense of how big it is because of the side parts where the bar is, but when it opens up to reveal the rest of the room with the bed here. But for now, just gonna chill and head over to the beach, make the most of it even though it's not fully sunny. Very awesome vibe out here. So NAKSAN Beach, check you soon. Just before we head out to the beach, we're checking out this garden area, kind of like garden, but it's just an open balcony area further down from our junior suite, but you can see the beach. If it's a sunny day, this would be awesome, but very peaceful. Alright, so it's dinner time, absolutely starving after our session at the beach, and decided to go for the room service. We have fish and chips, and we also have a specialty in Yangyang, so we thought to try it as well. Yangnom Dakkangjong, so that's sweet sauce chicken and fish and chips. So this is the Yangnom Dakkangjong. Looks good. And it is the fish and chips, so very different. Again, pretty pricey, around 18,000 and 25,000 won, but it's worth trying out and see what it looks like. So yeah, let's dip into it. Okay, so let's try the fish and chips first. Again, very different to what I was expecting. I was sort of expecting a long cod, but hey, very difficult to find good fish and chips. Fresh, piping hot. Kind of these like curly, wiggly fries. I can't remember what it's called, but chips are good. They probably just cut it up and then deep fry it up. They also have the sauce, so let's go with the sauce. Very light, great flavor. Tastes very good. I'm actually impressed with that. So we have a bit of duck as well. Sauce is really nice. They managed to pull it off. It's not the same kind of fish and chips from back in the UK, but it does taste very nice. And if you like Yangnom for your chicken, this is also very good too. gym, good fitness facilities, step, machines, bench press, free weights, nice. Right, it's the next morning here at NAKSAN Beach Hotel. Slept well, bed is super soft and the aircon is amazing. There's actually 2 of them in our room. We're just freshened up to go downstairs for breakfast. We got 2 coupons, decided to get it when we were here at check-in. Food look pretty good and just makes it easier. It's like raining quite heavily right now. So yeah, we're gonna head downstairs, get some food. My breakfast, scrambled eggs. These are like hash brown dumplings, sausages. They even have some sushis, which is cool. Americano. Nice food. Got my little yogurt pop. It's outside. Finishing off with our dessert, some pastries and bananas and fruits. Had a good breakfast, a good variety in the buffet and a nice scenery. It's absolutely raining and pouring outside, but we're about to check out now. So overall, my experience in NAKSAN Beach Hotel, really amazing. It's not the closest hotel to the beach, a nice atmosphere and a great view, especially from the junior suite, whether you're on the 3rd or the 4th floor. This is a great place to do. You just see the ocean view as you wake up, big windows, so the natural light is awesome. And then if you're a fan of big open room spaces, like I am, then this is definitely the place. But plenty of local restaurants. There's a Holly's Coffee nearby, but the beach, especially in the evening, went for a night walk, just peaceful at the ocean. So really enjoyed it, regardless of the weather. Obviously nice if it is sunny. Managed to dip into the ocean yesterday, so I'm glad. Breakfast overall is pretty worth it. I think the quality of it is good. There's a nice variety, definitely a bit more higher standard than I would say in Seoul for what you get here, and yeah, very comfortable. So it runs until 10 a.m. and starts like 7ish. Gym facilities, really good, nice equipment, very quiet, not much people using it, but if you want to exercise and stay active, you're gonna be able to get a good workout session here. And the arcade is very bare bones, just a few like outdated machines. Still had a lot of fun, and yeah, overall junior suite, amazing. So can't complain, really nice experience here. And honestly, if you're coming to Yangyang just for a day trip, a couple of nights, and want to make the most of it, then this hotel I would highly recommend. Especially great for the value, and I would definitely say to upgrade or at least consider the junior suite. Super spacious. So thanks a lot for joining me, Team KBA. We're literally just gonna check out now and head back to Seoul. Thanks a lot for joining me, Team KBA. If you want to see more of my hotel tours around South Korea, check it out in my playlist, or check out my written review of NAKSAN Beach Hotel on my website at onetechtraveler.com. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, keep being awesome. Peace. 안녕. Sup Team KBA, so I've just launched my One Tech Traveler shop, where you'll find many different poster designs and styles to choose from. Mix and match sizes and colors to decorate your space. I'll be uploading new designs every single week, and I hope you find a design that suits you. Come check it out, stop by, and oh, don't forget to leave a review of your experience. Thanks, and keep being awesome.